Hello guys, welcome to Video Techno in Microsoft Power BI. Today we are going to learn about pie chart and donut chart. Pie chart and donut chart are represented in circular format and it shows both value and percentage in a single chart. Okay, we can use these charts when we have same proportional ratio among all the categories. For example, we have 5 categories and 3 categories have more than 50% and 2 categories have less than 5%, then it won't be viewable in this particular two charts. So we need to focus on the proportional ratio of all the categories. And in pie chart the categories all look like slices. In donut chart the categories all look like arc, but both are represented in circular format. The major difference between these two chart is the blank space appear in the center part of donut chart. Okay, so we can easily place any code or label or icon in that blank space. This is a sample image of pie chart and donut chart. In pie chart we used city as categories and it shows slices, and in donut chart it will look like an arc. Okay, and in the center part will appear as blank. So here we can plot any code or label or icon in that blank space. Okay guys, let me do it practically in Power BI desktop. We have same data set. So in visualization, first I choose pie chart. In that legend part I plot city, and in values I plot revenue. Okay, see now it shows revenue by city, and that order is appeared based on that revenue. If you want to order it based on that city, you can change that order by using that sorting method. Like I'll choose city and then I sort it on ascending order. Now it shows alphabet order, but most of the time we should order it based on that revenue. Okay, so then only we can easily understand which city have achieved more revenue, which city have achieved less revenue. As of now Kolkata generated 3 million. Okay, now in format tab we can change the position of legend. Position means this name of the cities and that colors. We can change it to top or top, center, bottom, anywhere. And in data colors you can choose your own colors. And when it comes to detail label, see, it's a main thing among these charts. Label style, currently it shows both value and percentage. If you want only value you can choose data value, or if you want only percentage you can choose percent of total. And there is another option as all details label, so it shows name, value and percentage. Okay, and now I'm going to choose donut chart. Now the center part becomes blank. Okay, we have another options also in shapes. See here, inner radius, when I reduce that inner radius to 0, then it will become pie chart. Now I increase that radius. Based on that radius the arc size will be increased and decreased based on that radius. Okay, this is another option as dot angle. We can rotate the visual by using this option. Presently it's 0 degree. Now I'll make it as 180 degree. Now that visual is rotated. Okay, and now I'm going to plot one chord in between this blank space. Okay, let me choose chord visual. Here I plot revenue and I'll reduce the size of that chord. Now I plot it here. See, the total revenue of all the cities are 22M, and Pune generated 2M out of 22M. Okay, so that percentage is calculated based on that particular category revenue out of the total revenue. So 10.07 percentage of revenue contributed by Pune out of the 22 million revenue. Okay, that means 100%. Now we have another option as details. Here I am going to plot product category. Now in a single shot we use two columns. Okay, we can compare the two column values. For example, that color represents that city name, so this area indicate Kolkata city, and each subunit indicate that each subcategories. So in Kolkata, sports category generated 1 million, mobile category generated 1 million, furniture and electronics categories also generate 1 million. Okay, from this option we can understand how each category contribute to that particular city, and how each city contribute to the total revenue. But I won't prefer this chart for comparing or performing or analyzing the two columns in a single chart. Instead of using it is this chart for comparing the two columns, you can choose stacked bar chart or stacked column chart. So I'll remove that. Now it shows lookup. Now it's lookable. Okay. Okay guys, that's all about pie chart and donut chart. In upcoming videos we will discuss about map visual. Thanks for watching.